Hi, 5th and 6th grade. Happy May Day. We made it. Can you believe it? May is here. Okay, today we're going to be talking about allusions and also reviewing what fact and opinion is. Let's get started. Here we go. Okay, so an allusion is words or phrases in a text that allude or refer to mythology sometimes. Mythology is when you talk about the Greek gods and goddesses, okay? Allusions also make a brief, indirect reference to a person, place, or event. It does not, the key word there is does not include detail about that reference. So it gives a reference, but it doesn't give you details. And finally, they often used in comparison through a metaphor or a simile. We've talked about what a metaphor is and what a simile is. So I have some examples of allusions here that I'd like to share with you today. All right. So here's my examples. Number 1, don't act like a Scrooge. That's referring to literature. That it was in a story, A Christmas Carol. Next one, he studies all the time and is a regular Einstein. Well, here they're referring to what? You're right, a historical figure, because Einstein, he was a famous scientist. So they're referring to him. Chocolate is my Achilles heel. So Greek mythology, because Achilles is in there. Chocolate is my Achilles heel. What that means is that chocolate is my downfall. Whenever I see chocolate, I gotta have it, or I like to eat chocolate a lot. Okay. Pandora's box. That means that it's a temptation that leads to trouble. Don't open Pandora's box. You might hear that a lot. If you're trying to make a decision and you want to do something, but it's a temptation that will lead you to trouble. The last example that I have is the Midas touch. To be very lucky, the ability to make a lot. So they might say, you have the Midas touch. When you flipped that bottle, flipping that bottle challenge, and you got it to stand up on the top, you might have the Midas touch. That means to be very lucky. Okay, so remember that allusions are words or phrases that refer to something. Okay, they use Greek mythology. They might be a simile or a metaphor, using those key ones right there. And those are just some of our examples that we have. Now, this week we've been talking about fact and opinion, and I just want to quickly review this. Here's my chart. Remember, facts can be proven true. They use things such as dates, numbers, nonfiction, and historical events. A fact, those are facts. Opinion is what someone thinks, feels, or believes. You can't prove this because they think, feel, or believe it. Some keywords are believe, most, should, best, never, feel, think, might, worst, or always. Those are some key facts and key words for opinions and facts. Okay, friends, for your challenge today, I want you to see what allusions can you go find. Don't use my examples. See what other ones you can find, because I'm really interested to see which ones are out there and what you know. All right, friends, until next time, bye.